Hello guys, welcome back to Motorview Rides. Today we are at Tangong Race Course for the Concours D'Elegance. It's a crazy vintage show for motorcycles and cars, man. Enjoy the video, subscribe. Look at every crazy thing we are doing here at Motorview Rides, man. It's Mike and Colors running the thing.
Rupert's Gift Center, Germania Insurance, White Cap.
Details from the owners. Please tell us about the specs. What's called?
Jumaini, did you come with a suitcase?
Yeah, I think he has a car specifically carrying his clothes. I've got the link for the other car as well.
Isn't that indicator? That's the indicator. Do you see it? Flipping out just by the doors. And I don't think we heard clearly. Just explain that to us again.
Apparently it was called as Ouija before they called it Bugatti.
Okay.
That's the 1925 Tram 550 SD, man. This is the vintage stuff here at Concours D'Elegance. Change your version. Move to the name tag there.
How long were you restoring it? 4 years. 4 years. Okay. You do the work yourself? Being hurried along now by the chief judge. Story here about this car.
Yes, go ahead.
Somebody, could you tell me about the restoration? How long did it take from the scrap I can see here to the complete exhibit here that we can see? It took 4 years.
Was that 4 years? 4 years.
It took a full 4 years to restore this. All right. And do you know, like, perhaps cost-wise, and in terms of time, in terms of the parts, can you like break that down quickly?
The biggest cost, of course, is time. It requires a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. It's a labor of love that you cannot quantify in terms of money.
Do you have a garage?
We kindly stick until the end of the video to also see the vintage cars. So we'll start with the crazy vintage bikes, all sorts of bikes and all that. Then the middle, probably 17-16 minute of the video, you'll be seeing the vintage cars and all that. So kindly stick until the end of the video. Remember, subscribe, like, share your thoughts. If you know a bike or a car that's here, type in the comments. Let's know what you know.
It's in very good condition.
I mean, the car is an exhibition of his work, so... It's Steve the driver, Steve.
Steve the engineer, he's the one that's...
Steve, engineer, just... Steve, your fans want you to acknowledge them.
Thank you for coming out to support me.
Yay!
Are they fans or customers? Mostly customers. I hope they're not looking for refunds.
They're very happy.
Are these your customers, Steve? Your happy customers?
Yes, they're very happy. They're celebrating.
Well done, Steve. Very popular entrant today.
It really is exceptional inside.
And as that continues, the red Peugeot 504 GR is owned by Mr. Nicholas Kendango.
Nice one, bro. God, look at these beauties.
So why are you doing all this? Tell us a bit about this car. How long have you had it?
I've had it for the last 8 months.
And did you do any restoration or you bought it by this?
I did a lot of restoration. I bought it from KRO, off the auction, and been working with it myself. 100%.
Okay, so you don't work for the KRA, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay, he doesn't work for the KRA, but he actually bought it off the KRA. So now he'll get a clap. He bought it from the auction of the KRA. So okay, now you're popular again.
2, 2, 1, 2.
my god, guys, this is a GSR 1200cc, man. Vintage stuff, man. This thing is great. From Uganda, if you see from the number plate, this is Motorview Rides, guys. Motorview Rides giving you the exclusive of the Concours D'Elegance Kenya version. Check out this BMW GS 1200cc, man. Big machine, big things. It's Carlos with the camera. It's getting all the clips and everything clear, fresh stuff. You know.
Well done, Paul. A great supporter of the concourse. He's got some beautiful vehicles that he spends all his time doing up. Absolutely. That's quite right. And then we've got some other VWs.
Motorview Rides, guys. Motorview Rides. Mike behind the camera. Everybody the exclusive, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy over here, Concours D'Elegance, Kenya.
So do you see what Mark's saying?
Carlos over there.
So Paul's going to be asked to put on the indicators and look where they come from. It's not where you expect them to come from, the indicators. Okay, so he's doing the windscreen wipers. Can we see the indicators, judges?
Oh my god, guys, hope you're enjoying this clip, man. There's some beast machines.
The car immediately behind Paul Chamberlain's vehicle. Mr. Chamberlain, can you give the crowd a wave? Mr. Paul, give us all a wave. There he is. Look at that with his VW logo on his fez hat.
I think you got some information on the car there, Philip. What? You got some information on the car.
So this Paul Chamberlain's car KFL was manufactured in 1956. Paul bought the body at a scrapyard in Nakuru. He imported the engine from the UK, which cost more than the vehicle did, the body shell did. So listen to that Peugeot 203. Paul was telling me that he bought this car.
Perfect view now. Motorview Rides, guys.
Just a shell.
Look at this.
And the gearbox is inside. Then he went back a couple of weeks later to the same scrapyard, found the bonnet and the boot, and then had great difficulty in finding the doors because this is the first car after the split windscreen of the VW Beetle. So he's managed to find the doors, and then in the UK he was on holiday once and happened to be looking through the loot and found somebody selling an engine for £100. So off he went and bought the engine, and it cost him 30,000 shillings duty to bring it back in. And now he's got a completely restored car to the original spec. It's absolutely beautiful. Well done, Paul. And if you look on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, you can see we're filming what's going on. You can see the interior of the vehicle. That's of the so that he could use the vehicle indicator. That's the indicator. Do you see it? Flipping out just by the doors. Apparently they were called trafficators by a well-known young family. They indicated the traffic which way you were going to go. That's right. Okay, so next up KFH.
That one's mad. Yeah, man, crazy.
So So again, I think this vehicle's from the 1950s as well, I would suggest. Mark, do you want to do?
Is he coming today?
Okay, we'll catch you when we see him. Thanks very much, Mark. So that's a lovely and yet another nice build. But then we've got KBY 813. I think it's seriously modified. It looks a bit like Herbie, doesn't it, Mark? It does. This is the extra entry, I think. This is the one that... No, this is the extra entry, okay. It's not in the program. So let's try and find out a bit more about it.
Harley Davidson 883. Crazy stuff over here at Motorview Rides.
Hello, this is your car, is it, sir? And how long have you had it?
After you.
And what model is it?
Now this is mine.
Sweeter.
Perfect, man. That's Harley Davidson. See here at Motorview Rides, guys. If you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button.
Okay, so the prize giving, Harry Thuppel's Range Rover. Well done, Mr. Thuppel.
And first in class one is the Volkswagen Combi 1987 of Tumaini Muthiga.
Isn't that great news? Wonderful, wonderful. Now, what's important, let me just tell you, so the winner for that class had 213 points. And remember, we've got to monitor that because he could be a contender for the overall winner. So at the moment, the top number of points is 213. Well done, Tumaini. Brilliant. Pick up a coffee for him. Absolutely superb.
Restoring, but not only this car, but also many other cars, different models, VWs, mini Morris, VW Combis.
So you can do my Rolls Royce.
Subscribe, like, comment, share your thoughts. If you can identify any bike,
I think
tell
he's
us
got
in
the
comment
popular
below.
vote,
Let's
but
see if you
remember
know
what
vintage
counts as the
stuff.
judge's vote. But I think he's got the popular vote.
Oh yeah, that's right. Do you want to go on the trampoline or you want to look at cars?
Ross, are you pushing a pram last? Probably best to get there's a lovely story, manufactured in 1980, how Mr. Gurusharan Singh acquired it. Mark, maybe you could ask him. Do you know the history? So tell us what you've done since last year.
As you can see, the paintwork and also the engine bay a bit. I'm still doing a lot of improvements.
All by yourself?
Yes.
Okay, and how long have you owned this vehicle?
For the last, let's say, 5 to 6 years.
And what state was it in when you got it?
Whoa, it was a bad find. It was a piece of rust.
And just remember the winning score at the moment, I told you, the class one is 213. You can see the exterior is absolutely immaculate. The interior, which is being checked now, is also immaculate. This is where all the points add up to. Okay, this is a strong contender. All done by bike, Honda Shadow 1100. This year we are participating with a new bike. It's a 50th anniversary edition of Concours. So we have got something new. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
Very well maintained. Shiny as hell, silver all through. Motorview Rides, guys. Motorview Rides giving you the exclusive of the Concours D'Elegance Kenya version.
So, common gears leaving, well done. Good fancy dress. That's owned by the Chamber and family. Wonderful participants in the concourse. Moving towards
And that's a Honda, man.
Peugeot Tourer 3
He's a beast, guy.
of Charles Guiteau. Absolutely magnificent vehicle. 1959. Over to you, Mark. Yeah,
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
interesting. Sana, thank you very much for making the effort to come. So, are you from the UBA? Bikers from Uganda came. Isn't that fantastic? Big up a coffee for them. You're always welcome. Every year those guys come. Brilliant. He's got a lovely iPad. Is it a Harley Davidson? Huh? Midnight Star, apparently.
They come out most of the time.
Got all in one cons. So you can listen to this all the way from Uganda to here. You can listen to your music all the way from Uganda to here. Yeah, did it take you to get here? How many of you came?
We're over 20 people. Over 20, about 35.
You all came in convoy.
Taking a concours.
Cars for your bed, already explored. Come and see this gentleman.
But it is a
So also a very good example as well. Excellent. How long were you a member of the Upper America?
Baba.
Third outfit. I think he has a one.
That's fantastic.
And how many more?
Jumaini, did you come with a suitcase?
Yeah, I think he has a car specifically carrying his clothes. I've got to pay for the other car as well.
Isn't that incredible? Big up a coffee to Jumaini. This is incredible, the effort he's made today, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, so ladies, please note, Mercedes vehicle, I'm single, okay? You can queue up at the end of the Well done, Daniel Biwat. That's great. I think we like Daniel's car, don't we? But another different example of the four doors as well. Brilliant. How long have you had this one, sir?
It's Motorview Rides, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like, share your comments. You know, if you know which model this car is, this Mercedes, but which model, which year, tell us in the comment below. Let's know what you know.
Check out the wheel nuts. I'd like to walk up too close to the wheel nuts. Events, sponsors and partners very quickly. FIM Africa, the Embassy of Italy and Kenya, KMSF, the Motorcycle Sports Federation, African Sports Network, Chair Media, Dots Graphics Limited, Homeboys, Tikiti.co.ke Galleria, Wine Gallery, Standard Group, Spice FM, Quartz Engine Oil, Rupa's Gift Centre, Jamalia Insurance, White Cap.
Great, and I can see you've got all the right accessories, completed a beautiful nyamo. So I think I'm just gonna let you go and enjoy yourself for today as I search for mine. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Feel we're having a ball here, man. You should join us.
Wonderful.
You should come down here.
I'm heading down. I'm heading down. We have an admiral here, I reckon, with this Mercedes. I'll just find out if he's an admiral or a brigadier. We'll just find his rank. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me what your rank is. Your rank. Are you an admiral or a brigadier? You're much bigger than that's much bigger than a captain.
This is the latest captain.
You must be in a good army. Is this your car?
This is my car.
31 years. Single owner. And has it been restored or is it as of new?
This is at the time, Enzo Ferrari, when this came out, he said it was the most beautiful car in the world. And actually, it does have, it's always up there when there are, when people are talking about automotive art, if you like. But the lines of this car are considered to be absolutely classic. And of course, it came out in 1961. It was the fast.
You kept it up beautifully ever since.
It was my wedding present for me and my wife, 20th anniversary.
Okay, brilliant, absolutely. And you use it every day?
Yes, every day.
This is the Prince car. Wow.
Okay, so car number 48, everybody. This is an absolutely fascinating vehicle. It's owned by Mr. Gailing. One of only 700 right-hand drive models produced in Milan, in Italy, between 62 and 69. It's 2.6 litre engine, all alloy engine. Maybe Mark, you could ask
I'm
it.
restoring the car. Even right now, I'm still restoring some parts.
And is this the first time you've been to the concourse?
This is my first. This is my third 126 model.
Brilliant. And I like the hats and everything. It's in very good condition. What's the sign say in the back? Come any closer and I won't say the rest. Okay. It's looking in very good. So
Well
they're now
done.
checking the upholstery and everything. Have you had anything done on the inside?
This is original interior.
Totally. And the engine, everything?
Engine is original.
Never been rebuilt.
Never been.
It's such a solid car and beautifully finished. Absolutely beautifully finished.
What do you want?
Okay, it's going for a ride now.
For going places. Yeah.
It's a beautiful car. You obviously use the ALS sheet with it, so they keep a good eye on it. You're looking forward to the next.
Two-door, and I've got the 1928 two-door, and behind me is the 1928 Ford Model 8 pickup. So those are the four cars.
I've seen some rows in the names that are coming. Do you have any family members that take part on the four cars? Are they the family members?
Yes, absolutely. My daughter, Veronica, she is in love.
Some people arriving.
Rolls Royce.
A warm welcome. Well done coming along, everybody. There's lots of fun to be had here.
The Concours in that car.
Make sure, by the way, there's plenty of food in the food court. So if you're hungry or thirsty, please make sure you're replenished. There's lots to see. There's the Heritage
My other son, Adrian,
Centre.
he's in the
There's kids zones. There's food courts.
30, and he's also looking for
Daniel,
place.
well done, Daniel.
There's a bit of a toss-up between the daughter and the son, and then
And the car was auctioned in the Ring Us Up programme. And the person who bought it really didn't want it. So it was the boom for 20 years. It took me 20 years to weedle it out. About 10 years. So it's pretty much from restoration. 52. And it is not another one. This is
He's not listening. So, do you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? This is a very unique car, and it's absolutely one of a kind.